Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations, and I'm participating in an open collab called hashtag Saturday Morning Makes. I'll make sure to put the hashtag in the title, and it's hosted by Jillian Norwood. I will also link her channel down below in the description box. And this is so much fun to build up your stash or send happy mail out, and I'll show you what I made for the week. Of course, I had to make some cute pokey tools, right? So that's one thing I did. Show you. I'm going to be sending this out in some mail. So there's one. Here's two. I just hot glued the back. Here's three. And hot glue the back. It's kind of icky there, so I don't know if I'm going to put something there. Anyway, there's that. And here's one with a flower connected to it. So I like this one. And here is the blue one. So that's the one thing I made. And then I packaged these up, but I made some flowers. And then I made some hearts, and I got packaged up and ready to go. And then I made a couple more here. And then I put this one here with a little fairy. So let's try and make a heart real quick. I'm not good with tutorials, but I was practicing on some other things. So I'm just going to use some basic 4-weight yarn, and I'm going to use a 4.5 millimeter hook, and we're going to start off with a magic circle. This is how I do my magic circle. Magic circles to me are easier to close off your work, so I just wrap it around and go like that, and I take my hook and I grab it, pull up, and sorry, it's hard to see in the camera, and I chain one to lock it. Let's squeeze that down a little bit. Oh, I messed that up. 1 second. Okay, so we wrap around, go like that, go under, grab, twist, not this one here, and you grab your working yarn and you chain one to lock and secure it, and that way you can just move your thread down and do another chain. So you're chaining two. Okay. Kind of work over your tail here a little bit, but it also helps lock and secure your yarn. You can close that down if you want. So we chained two, and we're going to do 3 triple crochets. Hope you guys can see that. Go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. That is 1 triple crochet. Yarn over twice, go through, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and then we're going to do 1 more, yarn over twice. So we yarn over twice, go through, grab your yarn, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 more triple crochet, I'm sorry. Yarn over twice, that, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So your chain 2 doesn't count as anything. Just helps the get the height that we need. Okay, so we're going to make 3 double crochets. So it's just yarn over, go through the loop, grab it, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do another one, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, wrap around again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So as you can see, it's starting to take shape. Let's chain 2. And then we're going to copy what we did on this side. So we're going to start out with 3 double crochets, yarn over, pull up, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then do it again, yarn over, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2, that's 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So that is 3. And we want to make 3 triple crochets next. Yarn over twice, yarn over, go through, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice. We're going to pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So that's what it looks like so far. We're going to chain 2, and then we're going to slip stitch right through the hole here. You pull up and you just pull it through the loop. And oops, and you chain 1. And you can tighten up the hole. See what your heart looks like. Grab your scissors. And cut. And just take this yarn and pull it through and tighten it to secure like that. And that is your heart. super easy. So you just want to take darning needle. You just want to sew it up, secure your ends basically. And we're just gonna just kind of go through the stitches in the back. My camera is just not good for this, so we just secure it and make sure you don't put it through the same stitch. Just go through it the other way and pull it through, and I'm good with that. So cut your yarn here. There's one, and then we gotta get rid of that one. And we are going to pull it through here, and then we're going to take the yarn, not go through the same stitch because it'll pull out, and we'll go this way. And if you want to go one more time, you can just go right here. It's hard to pick up. And just pull it through, and then we'll cut our yarn. And there is our heart. So let's pick out a gem. Alright, so this is what I picked out for my heart, and we're going to use some Fabri-Tac. I'm going to squeeze some of this out of here because I bought another bottle and I don't have it in here. So here's our heart, and we're going to take this one here, and we're going to glue a little bit of Fabri-Tac in the back. Shake some out. And we're going to take this and put, okay, and then I picked out this butterfly. We're going to use a jump ring. Okay, there's the butterfly. We're going to just put it through a chain, and then we're going to close it off. I always have to use my magnifying glass, but I can't really use it. All right, and you have your heart butterfly. I love making these. They are so much fun. I love, love, love making them. All right, everyone, make sure you check out Jillian's channel. I will link it down below, and make sure you follow the hashtag satmornmakes. And thank you, Jill, for creating this open collab. And I want to thank everyone for watching my video and giving me the thumbs up and the support. That means a lot to me. So yeah, all right, everyone, take care. Bye.